Choosing affordable window installations in Layton can seem daunting, especially when you're balancing cost with the desire for high-quality work. With numerous options available, making an informed decision is crucial to ensure your investment enhances your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and value. Here are key factors to consider when assessing the quality of affordable window installations. Understand your needs before diving into options. Clarify your requirements. Are you replacing old windows for better insulation, updating the aesthetics of your home, or addressing specific issues like drafts or noise reduction? Knowing your priorities will help you select the right materials, styles, and installation services within your budget. Research the company's reputation. Reputation is a strong indicator of quality. Look for local companies in Layton with solid track records in window installation. Read online reviews on platforms like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau. Seek out testimonials and case studies to understand how a company has met customer needs in similar projects. Key questions to ask. How long has the company been in business? Are they known for delivering projects on time and within budget? Do they offer warranties for their products and services? Check licensing and insurance. Verify that the company holds the necessary licenses to operate in Layton. Licensed contractors adhere to local building codes, ensuring safety and compliance. Additionally, ensure the company has insurance to protect you from liability in case of accidents or damages during the installation process. Evaluate materials and brands. Affordable doesn't have to mean low quality. Investigate the materials and brands the company offers. High-quality windows are typically made of durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or wood, and they feature energy-efficient glazing options. Look for ENERGY STAR-rated products, which can reduce energy costs while maintaining indoor comfort. When comparing materials, consider durability. Will the windows withstand Layton's weather conditions? Maintenance. Are the materials easy to clean and maintain? Aesthetic appeal. Do the styles align with your home's design? Inquire about installation practices. The best windows can fail to perform if improperly installed. Assess the company's installation practices to ensure they follow industry standards. Professional installers should remove old windows without damaging surrounding structures. Seal gaps effectively to prevent air and water leaks. Test the windows post-installation to confirm functionality. Ask if their installers are certified by organizations like the American Window and Door Institute, AUDA, or Installation Masters. Get multiple quotes. Request detailed quotes from several companies to compare pricing and services. Ensure each quote includes cost of materials, labor charges, additional fees, e.g., removal of old windows, disposal, warranty term. Beware of quotes that are significantly lower than others. This could signal inferior materials or subpar workmanship. Focus on value rather than price alone. Assess energy efficiency options. In Layton's varying climate, energy efficiency is a top consideration. Look for windows with low E coatings, reflect heat and UV rays, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Double or triple glazing provides superior insulation. Gas fills. Argon or krypton gas between panes enhances thermal performance. Energy-efficient windows not only lower your utility bills but also contribute to a more sustainable home. Examine warranties and after-sales support. Quality service doesn't end after installation. A reputable company will offer warranties covering defects in materials and workmanship. Some also provide ongoing maintenance or repair services. Understand the scope and duration of warranties and keep a copy of all documentation for future reference. Request references and view past work. Ask for references from previous customers and, if possible, visit completed projects. Seeing the quality of work firsthand can give you confidence in the company's capabilities. Additionally, speaking with past clients may provide insights into the reliability and professionalism of the service provider. Trust your instinct. Finally, trust your intuition. If a company is evasive, overly pushy, or unwilling to answer your questions, consider other options. Quality contractors will communicate clearly, respect your concerns, and guide you through the process without pressuring you into decisions. Final thought. Finding affordable window installations in Layton requires a balance of thorough research, clear communication, and careful assessment of quality factors. By understanding your needs, vetting contractors, and prioritizing long-term value over short-term savings, you can achieve a successful installation that enhances your home's efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal. Take the time to evaluate your options, and you'll enjoy the benefits of quality windows for years to come.